All the students, welcome back. I am Captain Rail Sanjeev. Welcome to online classes from Department of Chemistry, Government Degree College, Peddapalli. In the yesterday class, we have discussed about heterocyclic compound, one of the heterocyclic compound, that is furan, and also covered introduction of thiophene. Now let us go to learn about order of aromaticity. Here please observe aromaticity order when we compare with the furan, pherol, thiophene, and all these five-membered heterocyclics compared with the benzene in this tabular form. Here aromaticity is also related with the resonance energy values. Here resonance energy, please observe, for the furan 16 kilocalories per mole, it is a less energy, resonance energy. When we go to pherol 22 kilocalories per mole, thiophene 29 kilocalories per mole, benzene 36 kilocalories per mole. Benzene ring resonance energy is higher value because that based on the resonance energy, the benzene ring exhibits uh, more resonance stabilized compound. Here this order depends on order of electronegativity of heteroatom. Here please observe. The oxygen atom is a highly electronegative atom. Based on this electronegativity values, this order, the more electronegative is the atom, that is the oxygen atom, the more tightly holds its lone pair electrons. Tightly holds on the heteroatom its lone pair electrons, more reduce the ease of delocalization. That delocalization process slowly reduces. In oxygen, the pair of electron holding it is very tightly because that its delocalization process reduces. Due to that reason, the aromaticity is less. Here, so most electronegative, that is oxygen atom, in furan most decrease aromaticity. Most decrease aromaticity. Aromaticity character is decreased. Here aromaticity is related with the stability and reactivity. Stability and reactivity. If the electronegativity values, it may be increased, the aromaticity slowly decreases. Here oxygen atom electronegativity value is more, its aromaticity, that lone pair of electron holding is very difficult. In that case, its aromaticity slowly decreases. There is a relation. There is a relation between aromaticity and electronegativity values. Here, least electronegativity. For example, in sulfur, least electronegativity atom sulfur in thiophene, least decrease aromaticity. Least decrease aromaticity indicates thiophene least decrease aromaticity means aromaticity uh, when compared with the furan, it is more aromatic compound. More least decrease aromaticity means increase of aromatic character. Increase of aromatic character. Is it clear, all of you? Furan is the least less aromatic. Thiophene is more aromatic. Based on this information already we are representing in the starting of the slide. Furan is less aromatic. Thiophene is more aromatic in the 5-membered heterocyclic ring. These 5-membered heterocyclic rings, when we compare with the benzene exhibits more aromatic character. It is very good example for aromatic ring, carbocyclic ring, because it is more resonance stabilized structure, benzene ring. Thiophene is least uh, reactive among these three. Least reactive because it is more aromatic. It is more stable. Aromaticity is related with stability and reactivity. Thiophene is more aromatic. That indicates it is um, its reactivity is less. Stability is more automatically. Opposite decreasing order of reactivity. In these compounds, here decreasing order of reactivity. Uh, More reactive, furan, next pherol, thiophene. Decreasing order here in this order when we observe. Pherol is more reactive. Pherol, that holding of lone pair electron is very difficult. To that, it participate in the various reactions very actively. For example, the special reactions. It follows. It participate in the special type of reactions. For example, Riemann-Tiemann reaction, coupling reaction, and Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. The furan compound is participate in all these special type of reactions. Due to the reason means it is highly active compound. Uh, in this junction, I would like to explain some more extra information. Here, nitrogen atom, when we compare with the furan and pherol, in pherol, nitrogen atom accommodates the positive charge more easily than oxygen. Here, oxygen is a highly electronegative atom. It is very difficult to hold positive charge on it, but nitrogen atom accommodates very easily. Due to that reason, it participates various reactions. And another very important information in this reactivity order, furan is less reactive than pherol. Here, in these two, it is a different. Generally, based on resonance energy, We are thinking that furan is more reactive than furon, but based on resonance energy value, it is a different. Furan is less reactive than furon. Please remember it. Please remember there is a difference. Oxygen accommodates positive charge less readily. Just now we discussed oxygen accommodates positive charge less readily than nitrogen. Nitrogen accommodates positive charge very easily. Because what is the reason means the electronegativity values. Based on the electronegativity values, the oxygen atom is more electronegativity because it accommodates positive charge is very less ready to accommodate positive charge on oxygen, but nitrogen accommodates positive charge is it is very easy. Due to that reason, furan is less reactive than ferrol. Reactivity order, the first compound more reactive is ferrol here. It is a opposite. It is a just a slight different based on resonance energy values. Resonance energy furan 16 kilocalories, that indicates we are thinking, oh, it may be more reactive, but here the electronegativity values, based on electronegativity values, there is a slight different. Please remember it. Is it clear, all of you? Aromaticity and order of aromaticity. Now let us go to synthesis of thiophene. This is the first synthesis, very important synthesis. In the future studies also, it is very important synthesis. Name reaction, Paul-Knorr synthesis of thiophene. Here it is a condensation reaction. The condensation of 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds with the sulfur sources. We can use any type of sulfur source. Here we are using phosphorus pentasulfide. It is one of the sulfur source. It requires here one of the sulfur atom. With the sulfur sources gives thiophene. This is the very important synthesis, major synthesis for the preparation of thiophene molecule. Here 1,4-dicarbonyl compound, it is the starting material, 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. On reaction with, on treated with phosphorus pentasulfide, heat the reaction mixture. Here loss of water molecule, and we are getting substituted thiophene. Here substituents, here methyl group and another methyl group at 2 and 5th positions, 2, 5 dimethyl thiophene. We are getting in this reaction, from this reaction. It is a single step reaction. We cannot understand clearly the mechanism part in the single step. For that purpose, we'll go to a mechanism part of this particular reaction. Here, mechanism of Paul-Knorr synthesis. The starting material same, 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. We are using 1,4-dicarbonyl compound heated with phosphorus pentasulfide. Here the replacement of oxygen atom with a sulfur we are getting thioketone. Just oxygen replaced by sulfur, thioketone. 1,2-dicarbonyl compound is converted as thioketone. Thioketone in presence of H plus ion. Here what happened? Just this oxygen converted as OH. Oxygen atom loses electron, it gets positive charge. From this intermediate, loss of proton, sulfur, here breakage of this particular pi bond, not represented arrow mark. Here breakage of this pi bond on sulfur side, that negative charge bonded with the carbonyl carbon. Here breakage of pi bond and neutralize that particular oxygen of positive charge, converted as normal OH hydroxy group. Here formation of new pi bond when loss of this particular proton from this corner and cyclize the compound. Cyclization takes place here. Cyclization takes place. Now let us go to in presence of H plus. What happened? That OH2 plus, again oxygen gets positive charge. From this intermediate, what happened? Loss of H plus and H2. Here loss of H2O. Finally we are getting thiophene, substituted thiophene. 2,5 dimethyl thiophene is the final product in this Paulnar synthesis of thiophene. Okay. In this slide, it is a mistake. Paulnar synthesis of furan we mentioned. It is a thiophene. Is it clear, all of you? Now let us go to another slide. This is the second method of synthesis. It is a laboratory synthetic process. Here the starting material reactant is sodium succinate. It is from succinic acid. Generally it is a derivative of succinic acid. Generally here sodium ions are attached with COO minus carboxylate ion. Sodium ions are attached. These sodium ions that hydrogen replaced by sodium. Generally it is a succinic acid. It is a derivative of succinic acid, sodium succinate. Heating a mixture of sodium succinate and phosphorus trisulfide. Sodium succinate reactant on treated with phosphorus trisulfide. Heat the reaction mixture, will get a thiophene, normal thiophene. This is the laboratory method of synthesis. We are preparing thiophene. Okay. Another method of synthesis, uh, the, it is Hinsberg synthesis. Hinsberg synthesis, we are using 1,2-dicarbonyl compounds. 1,2-dicarbonyl compounds. This is also condensation reaction. Condensation reaction. These open chains cyclized to form thiophene cyclic ring. These two starting materials are open chains. Open chains cyclization takes place to form a here substituted cyclic ring. Okay. Condensation between 1,2-dicarbonyl compound and diethyl thioacetate. Diethyl thioacetate in presence of strong base give thiophene 2,5-diacids or diketones. Diacids or diketones in this method. This is just cyclization process, not necessary to discuss mechanism part this degree level. Just please observe the reaction, how the cyclization takes place. Here the starting material 1,2-dicarbonyl compound, 1,2-dicarbonyl compound on reaction with the thiodiacetate, thio, center atom thio, di attached with the diacetate in presence of strong base, any base, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, any base we are using. From this reaction, loss of 2 moles of water molecule, 2 moles of water molecule to forms substituted thiophene. It is called thiophene diketone. Thiophene, this entering thiophene on second position, on fifth position, diketone is attached, is bonded with the thiophene. This is one of the method. And another method, please observe, instead of this 1,2-dicarbonyl, normal dicarbonyl compound, we are using phenyl rings. Phenyl rings attached with the phenyl. This is called benzyl. Benzyl on reaction with the diethyl thiodiacetate. Diethyl thiodiacetate. Diethyl. Diethyl. Thio, center of the atom, thio, and diacetate. In presence of potassium salt of tertiary beta oxide. Tertiary beta oxide. In presence of strong base we are using potassium salt of tertiary beta oxide. Here also loss of 2 moles of water molecule will get substituted thiophene. Substituted thiophene, this is also diketone. Diketone thiophene. This is the third method of synthesis. It is a condensation process. Cyclization takes place. Open chain to cyclized ring formation in this reaction. Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Now we'll go to chemical properties of thiophene. In this various reactions, before going to discuss about the various chemical reactions, first we should know the how the electrophile attacks on this particular cyclic ring. In the last class, we have already studied for furon and ferrol how the electrophile attacks on cyclic ring. In the last class we discussed, but even though in for thiophene also uh, we'll discuss electrophilic substitution reactions. Here thiophene undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction at a second position, preferably at a second position. How is it? What about in third position and second position? How the products different resonance structures are obtained? Which side, which one is more stable, which is less stable? We'll discuss in this diagram. Here, thiophene on reaction with the electrophile positive charged species. If the electrophile, it may attacks on second position C2 carbon. Here 5 bonded electrons shifted to C2 carbon, it gets negative and third carbon gets positive. Electrophile attacks on second carbon. This is one of the resonance structure after attacking electrophile on second position. The pi bonded electrons, it may shifted to this side. C5 carbon gets positive and a new pi bond is generated in between C3 C4. This is the second type of resonance structure we are getting from C2 attacking of electrophile. From this sulfur, when the electron pair donates to cyclic ring, a lone pair of electron is there on sulfur atom. That lone pair electron donates to cyclic ring here to form a new pi bond in between C5 and heteroatom. Here heteroatom sulfur gets positive charge. The remaining structure is same. This is the last contributing resonance structure. From this we cannot write another new one. Here if the loss of electrophile, again we will get a original structure. We cannot write another extra structure. All these three extra stable contributing structures, the reason means, please observe another type of attacking of electrophile on C3 position. Here the pi bond, it may be shifted to C3 carbon. C3 carbon gets negative and C2 carbon is positive. Here electrophile easily attacks on C3 position. This is the first resonance structure from attack of electrophile on C3 position. Here a lone pair of electron donates to cyclic ring to form a new pi bond. Sulfur atom gets positive. This is the another type of resonance structure. From this, when attack of electrophile on C3 position, it gives only two contributing resonance structures, but more number of resonance structures from Attack of electrophile on C2 position. Here, please observe the reasons. Two reasons we are indicating. Here, C2 attack gives more resonance contributing structures than C3. Is it clear? More and stable resonance structures gives from C2 attack. And extra stable contributing structure generates upon C2 attack. Extra stable, more stable compounds are generated from C2 attack. The electrophile attacks on C2 position. Based on this information, the electrophile in various types of reactions, in different reactions, the electrophile normally attacks on C2 carbon only. The more yield C2 substituted product based on this information. Okay. Now let us go to various reactions. First, we will discuss polymerization. Very strongly acidic condition lead to acid catalyzed polymerization. This thiophene undergoes polymerization process in presence of acid catalyst, strong acidic condition. The action of hot phosphoric acid on thiophene leads to a trimer. It gives a trimer. Here please observe in the reaction part, the starting material reactant thiophene. We are using thiophene in presence of phosphoric acid S3PO4. Heated the reaction mixture. Another 2 moles of thiophene attacks on these places. This is one of the thiophene ring. Thiophene. 3 moles of thiophene. It is called as trimer. In this reaction we are getting trimer. Okay, it is one of the example for polymerization reaction. Now let us go to various examples of electrophilic substitution reaction. Electrophilic substitution reaction. Here thiophene, first reaction, please observe, first reaction, thiophene on reaction with nitric acid HNO3 in presence of acetic acid. Instead of this acetic acid, we can also use acetic anhydride. It may be represented with the AC2O. Instead of that acetic acid, we can use. Presence of this particular compound, it generates NO2 plus electrophile. That NO2 plus electrophile normally attacks on second position. we'll get second substituted product. Here please observe, this is the major compound. Here third substituted product is also formed in this reaction, but it is a minor amount. Major part, 95% major product is obtained as a 2-nitrothiophene. That NO2 plus electrophile generally attacks on second position. It is the major product. This is also obtained minor 3-nitrothiophene. Okay, now let us go to second type of reaction. Second, sulfonation. Sulfonation reaction. Thiophene on reaction with sulfur trioxide in presence of pyridine. In this case, instead of this sulfur trioxide and pyridine, we can also use sulfuric acid, H2SO4. We can also use sulfuric acid at room temperature. We'll get a same sulfonic acid substituted product. From that we'll get the same product, H2SO4 at room temperature. Here sulfur trioxide in presence of pyridine to forms a second substituted thiophene. Thiophene to sulfonic acid. Thiophene to sulfonic acid. Is it clear? Thiophene to sulfonic acid. Now let us go to another reaction, halogenation reaction. Halogenation, thiophene on reaction with the chlorine, Cl2 molecule, heat the reaction mixture. In this compound, second substituted product generally is the major product. Major product 2-chlorothiophene. Here 2-chlorothiophene is the major product. Minor product is also formed. It is 2,5-dichlorothiophene. It is the minor product in this reaction. Major is 2-chlorothiophene. Is it clear, all of you? Instead of this, in this halogenation, we can also react with the bromine, Br2, or iodine, I2. When we use I2, iodine molecule, instead of this Cl2, I2, we will get a 2-iodothiophene. 2-iodothiophene in that particular reaction. Is it clear? Halogenation reaction. Halogenation. And the last type of chemical reaction, it is a acylation reaction. This reaction is also called as Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Here in this reaction, acetic anhydride, thiophene on reaction with acetic anhydride in presence of boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride to forms 2-acetyl thiophene. To forms 2-acetyl. Here on second position there is a acetyl group. In acetic anhydride CH3CO acetyl group is present. That particular acetyl group breakage takes place. That acetyl group electrophile attacks on second position here, second position. Instead of this acetic anhydride AC2O, instead of that particular acetic anhydride, we can also use CH3COCl acetyl chloride in presence of SnCl4. We can also use this reagent acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride is also contains acetyl group CH3CO group. That particular CH3CO group generally attacks on second position, second substituted thiophene, second 2-acetyl thiophene will get from this reaction. Generally all these reactions uh, we understood electrophile E plus electrophile generally attacks on second position. Just now we discussed in the uh, um, starting C2 attack electrophile. When the electrophile attacks on C2 position, it gives more number of and stable resonance structures. When we go to attack of electrophile on C3 position, it gives less number of resonance structures. Due to that reason, generally in all the chemical reactions, the electrophile E plus, here also nitro electrophile, sulfonic electrophile, halogen electrophile, all these cases examples, positive species electrophile generally attacks on second position will give second substituted product. It is very easy uh, to remember. Huh? Please remember this information. In examinations, we can write easily say, all these chemical properties. Okay, please prepare well, all the students. Okay, students, will meet again tomorrow at the same time. Right? Thank you. Thank you, Anand.